might be live. Alright, so what we're gonna do right here, it's 2:25 in New York right now. And I have the, let me actually pull up both of my screens real quick, so that way it makes more sense. Alright, let me just pull up both of my screens real quick. Where the fuck is it? Where the fuck is it, man? Oh my god, bruh. Oh my god, bruh. Let me test out this real quick. Alright, bet. So now we have the LED box here. Alright. Okay, great. Alright, so basically, right? Give me a sec. Alright. So, what do we see here? Alright. So we have price action. Of course, we took out these lows. It seems like we're going to be using this as a liquidity sweep. So again, we have a market maker sell model. But ideally, right, the market maker sell model started from here, retraced, and then went down. So you can see there was an accumulation phase, manipulation, and distribution. So let's try to spot a power of 3 on the inverse side as well. As far as right now goes, I just need to get both of my screens on the thing as soon as possible. And then I think I should be able to do this as soon as I have both of my screens on. Yeah, there we go. So now I gotta select my, this is my main screen. Fuck. There we go. So this is my second screen. So if you guys can see that, I'm gonna put this here, and that way you can see the lower screen and the higher screen. So right. So this is my main screen, as in this is my trade screen. Actually, let me make sure I do the inverse. Actually, this should be my second screen. There we go. Actually, fuck it. You know what? Who cares? Right? Let me put this here. Right? Let me put this there. And it seems like we're tracing a little lower. Are we taking out these lows? What are we doing here? I'm still not in the trade, of course, because this is not the time for. See, it's still taking out liquidity. This is an inducement zone right here. Anyways, let's give it some time. Give me a second. I'm trying to set this up properly. Okay, so I have this. Okay, this is fine. Where the fuck do I put the screen? Sorry about my language. Sorry for me, language. It should be fine. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so now I have both of my screens right here, so you guys can see. These are my screens, as you can see. So I need to see a market structure shift in order to really have a trade, right? So the first thing that I really do need to see here is the fact that we have a fair value gap, an actual fair value gap. Right? So it seems like we're retracing a little lower. Seems to be sweeping liquidity from what I can see. So if you go to this 1 minute frame right here, you can see that this is just a, let me zoom out. So you can see there is an accumulation phase, we have a manipulation phase, and what are we going to have next? A distribution phase higher than this. It's sort of like a run on liquidity, but yes, my TP would be right here, just to avoid confusion, right? So yeah, basically, in other words, let's go back to this. Okay, so you can see that this is basically, let me double check. Okay, there we go. It's easier. So you can see that this is the 5 minute frame and this is the 15 minute frame right here. So on this, you see we took out these lows right here and we're going towards these lows right here. So it seems like we're going to be retesting this level, which is over here. This is the, let me show you. It seems like we're retesting the whole market maker sell model, the whole thing. So there's a bunch of it's like 3 market maker models in one. So let me show you. So if I go to, actually let me just make this clear. So we had accumulation, we have manipulation, now we have distribution, right? But what do we have next, right? So that's the clear picture. So we took out these lows, you can see that, and we seem to be going to take out these lows as well right here, right? So until we see a proper low confirmation, then it's going to be we have no idea what's going to happen next, right? But let's look at the rest of it, right? So it seems like we have, what do we see here? So let's go on the daily. Alright, so we seem to have a accumulation, right? Accumulation, manipulation, And what should we do next? We should take out these lows and we should go higher, right? Sorry, we have accumulation, we have manipulation, now we have distribution. But now that we took out these lows, right, this equal low right here, this internal term low, what the heck just happened? I have no idea what that was. Okay, whatever. As long as we take out these lows. So this internal term low was taken out. So it's sweeping liquidity, which means it should go bullish anytime now, right? So you can see there's accumulation, manipulation. So look at this. We have accumulation and we have a bunch of manipulations, and we should go lower. So that's kind of weird, but even if it does engineer liquidity, it's going to go lower towards what? These equal lows. So these equal lows were actually taken out. See? If you look at this wick right here, it's parallel. See? These equal lows were taken out. So now it seems to be going on a bit of a retracement, accumulation, manipulation, and now we have a bearish bias overall because we're on the sell side of the curve, right? So overall we have a bearish bias. But if we go here, right, we seem to have a bearish bias once again, right, on the 4 hour, right? So if we go to, if I get rid of everything, you can see there's a lot of selling pressure. So we have a lot of bearish bias. See, it's a huge fair value gap right here, right? So a huge fair value gap, and seems like we have a huge fair value gap, and we have a first line of defense 1 2 3 FVA, and we have a swing high. So we have a high probability the first type of order flow right here. So we see this fair value gap, we see this first line of defense, and the swing high right here. So we have a high probability trade right here, and then we're doing a reversal towards this low, and it displaces below it. We could consider this as a how do I explain this? We could consider this as a this is accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. We don't see that here yet, but from what I can see, this is sweeping liquidity, right? So it's sweeping liquidity, and there's a fair value gap right here. So there's also a fair value gap right here, which was then mitigated right here, because actually no, yeah, it was mitigated. See over here, this candle right here pushed through this fair value gap, and either way it was a low probability fair value gap to begin with, right? Because it was going to be used as a bit bullish confluence. But anyways, let's look at this, right? You see this right here is indicating what? High probability of being bearish. So should I be on the bias side? No, I should not be on the bias side until these lows are taken out. So this right here is confirmation that I shouldn't be taking this until this SSL draw is taken out. All right, so this is very crucial, because you see this right here, these equal lows, this is just sweep, right? So you see this liquidity sweep right here. So oops, this, oh fuck, what did I just do? But right here, you see this liquidity sweeps right here. So we took out this low, we swept liquidity, and then we go higher, right? So it's simple as fuck. But apart from that, you can see that there's an inverse fair value gap right here. So it seems to be using this inverse fair value gap to retrace lower, right? But we can't really confirm this because we don't really see anything below this. So we have a order block, we have a bearish order block right here, which seems to be sort of a push towards the downside. There's equal lows right here, except this is liquidity, just a sweep, right? So basically, let's go to the lower time frames. And fuck, what did I just do? I'm sorry. Sorry about my cussing. I'm just, I don't know, kind of annoyed because my fucking internet just glitched out for a while. But yeah, basically right here you can see that there is a fair value gap. There should be a fair value gap somewhere here. So sorry, my bad. So there's a huge fair value gap right here. So let's get rid. So there we go. We have the fair value gap. Let me get rid of the OTE. Okay, so you see this fair value gap was used as an inverse fair value gap. So we have a bearish bias. What are we doing here? We're going to go lower. That's right. We're gonna be going lower because it seems to be on the sell side of the curve, and we are overall what? Bearish. See, breaking structure towards the downside. So we have a temporary sweep, we have accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and we have a temporary sweep, and then we reversal right there. Okay, so it rebalances, and then we keep going high, lower, it rebalances, and now what? We're going lower, right? So overall, the bias is what? Bearish. So should I be on the bias side? No, hell no. So this trade right here that I was going to take is the invalid trade as to what I was supposed to take. I just didn't look at it in the bigger picture because I'm not trying to lose money like a dumbass. Because I was going to go take the market maker buy model towards the high, but then I looked at it from the fractal perspective, right? So then I realized that I'm on the fucking wrong side of the equation. So I want to see what sort of displacement would occur right here. So if it does use this as an inverse fair value gap, then we have a high confirmation of the fact that it's going to go retrace lower, right? Which is very likely because we are in fact what? Bearish right here. let me just enable this, my bad. Let me just check chat as well. Okay, nobody's here, that's good. So over here, you see we have a mitigated fair value gap right here. So seems like we have a, what's this? This is like a 15-minute, probably, yeah. This is a 15-minute order block right here. I'm gonna get rid of this bullshit real quick. Alright, great, amazing. Alright, so what we're gonna do here is use this inverse fair value gap. So it seems to be using this inverse fair value gap, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution block. And you see this move right here, and we have accumulation, we have manipulation, we have distribution towards what? The very fucking lows. Alright, the very fucking lows. Alright, so we see this as a resistance level, sort of like a top level. So technically you could take the trade towards the upside. It's not like it's completely invalid, but ideally would you be taking the trade? Probably not. Ideally you wouldn't be taking that trade. So right now seems like the market is in fact stuck there. So I should be, let me just bring this here and then bring that to my second screen, because this is where I'm explaining most of the stuff. So you see that over here it seems like we are in fact using this fair value gap. So if we do use this fair value gap, then we will retrace higher, but I'm not trying to take that trade anywhere higher than this fucking ratio right here. This sweep, this equal high. It's a 1.34, so it's not really worth it in my opinion, but money is money, I guess. So if that is the case, but right now I shouldn't be taking this trade because it's gonna go on a market maker sort of to rebalance price in the lower frames. You can see that this is a bunch of market maker buy and sell models. As you can see, it seems to be rebalancing and then retracing away and rebalancing. But if you go to the higher time frames, for example, this aligns with what you see here. Let me just disable this real quick. But you see this right here is aligning with the type of thing that's happening over here. A bunch of confluences which is pushing the market downwards. We're on the market maker what? Sell model right here, right? So we seem to be on a market maker sell model towards what? This. So let's go back to the 15-minute time frame, and it seems like we are going to be in fact retracing. So let's see. All right. So this is accumulation, we have manipulation, we have distribution. Now what? Accumulation, we have manipulation, and what? Distribution. And what do we see next? That's for a formation to tell us, isn't it? So yeah, as of right now, I'm not trying to touch the charts because I actually missed an opportunity now that I think about it. But I was too confused with the SMTs, so that's a good thing for me to sort of learn from this. But you see, I missed from it because I was thinking fucking that thing, what do you call it? Dow Jones was on a bullish scenario, so I'm just gonna look at Dow Jones for one last time. Tomorrow is when I would really take my trade because today wasn't the day for that. Internal term lows, and it seems to have a bunch of bullish displacement, thus confirming a what? Market structure shift right here. This is the internal term lows that we see here. So we have an internal term low, we have a bunch of bearish displacement. Why did I just say bullish? That's fucking retarded, bro. And we see a lot of bearish displacement towards what? This equal lows were taken out, so it seems to be sweeping a bit of liquidity from what I can see. This seems to be sweeping a bit of liquidity, and now it's going higher. So you see this body right here, this is where the equal lows were, right? So now we have a what? Accumulation. We have a bit of a sweep right here, but then it's distributing higher, or accumulating higher. Distributing higher. But what I'm saying is, like, we should also consider this scenario though. Fair value gap. So it's using an inverse fair value gap. So unless it like sort of taps and then goes higher, that's unlikely. So what I'm seeing here is just a bunch of accumulation. Where is it? Accumulation, manipulation, and a bunch of distribution. So that's what I'm seeing here. It's not too hard to sort of come to that conclusion because you see a fair value gap, a huge fair value gap. It's breaking structure towards the downside. So overall, I would consider Dow Jones to also be bearish until this point. So let's go back. Let's see what's of accumulation we see here. Alright. So we seem to have a internal term high over here. Internal term high. And if we do break structure above this, I think we should be able to take a trade. Let me see. Oh fucking! Oh my god! I probably missed a few messages because TZ and the guys are probably on the on Discord right now. TZ and the guys. Yes sir. Joey, see? Gotcha. Bet. I got you. Fuck. Let me call TZ real quick. I can't take this trade. No, I should cancel this for now. What's his name? Tizo touchdown. Tizo touchdown. Alright. Yeah. I could join today because these buggers keep wasting my time. They keep delaying the time for the meeting and they're still not here. Tomorrow's the presentation of tomorrow. Hopefully. Alright. Alright, bet. Alright, so I forgot that I'm streaming both of my screens, so you guys probably see both of them at once. So yeah, you see this over here. Hold up, let me make sure. Oh, TZ's here. Alright, let's go. Yo, what's good? Oh my god, this default. Why you disappear like that? God damn. Oh, he's on the. Alright, bet. I got you. Yo.
I thought you left to the VC side.
Nah, bro. I was like, what the fuck is that? The fuck is this?
Anyways, check the refund policy. Try to like make it better.
I bet. I got you. I got you. Let me cook. You know what I mean? I didn't take the trade today because I did a wrong analysis, bro. Like I was gonna get fucked in the ass. I'm not even kidding. Yeah, I was gonna get fucked in the ass if I took that fucking trade. Technically, I could take it,
right?
But I don't know. Volatility market sessions. It's out of market session timing, so it's kind of like volatile, to be honest. Like if you can see my stream right now, because I'm sharing like both of my screens, I can't be asked to like double share on Discord as well. But seems like we are in fact going pretty bullish, honestly, but it's just one candle, so I can't really like take a trade based on this fucking candle. You know, just in case, I was like thinking to myself, right, just in case, even if I fucking blow this account, it's just like fucking $15 that I'm losing, bro. And if I fucking win this trade, I'm gonna fucking pass the whole challenge. So I don't really give a fuck. That's what I realized. Like I could just blow this account and I don't care. I only lose like fucking $15. I spend way more than that on fucking dumb little meme coins. So yeah, I shouldn't be overthinking this shit, you know what I mean? Like I get that it's fucking real money, but still I want to see like a proper fair value gap close above this, so then I can actually use this as like this was mitigated already, so I gotta take a see. So in the next 15 minutes it's gonna form like a fair value gap somewhere here, and then from that, if I have proper proof and confirmation that this fair value gap's actually fucking good, then I would take that trade from that fair value gap towards the nearest drawn liquidity, which is this. But it's like a 1 to 1.4 type ratio. It's like not that worth it, but it is what it is. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. I can make it like a 1.7 at most. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. It's like oh man, that fucking trade is ass. I gotta at least take it towards like a 2, you know? Like a fucking 2 would be like fire. Okay, so this candle is gonna determine how much this fair value gap is actually valid. So I gotta make sure this fair value gap is properly being used. Anyways, let me get back on track. Let me get this stove. Let me cook on the stove.
Oh my god, this is bugging, bro.
What's going on?
Shopify fucking bro.
Hold up.
Bold it! Oh my god!
Alright, let me cook
Bro,
on the...
this fucking bullet point shit is giving me a headache, bro. I've been trying this for like the past 10 minutes and it's not working.
Right.
It doesn't show the whole ass thing.
Yo, where can I check the spots where the people are coming from? Analytics, isn't it? Yeah, live view.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's see how many people are coming. Okay, so right now we don't actually have people, but I swear to God, we had like a bunch of people earlier. We had like a bunch of... There's this thing where you can like sort of track what they're doing, honestly. Like we had like a bunch of people earlier. California. So we had a few people.
Take DMs.
Alright, gotcha.
This is okay. This is what I'm fucking putting in the store, okay?
Okay, satisfaction. Strive, okay. Yeah, that's fine.
But no. This is what I put in. The first picture is what actually counts.
First picture is what actually comes as in like... Oh, right. Like you want to have it like this, right?
Yeah.
Just put it like in a different line, bro. I think like make the... Yeah, put it like in a different separate line. I don't think Shopify
The whole
allows for...
quality products and expertise and passion, all of those
Oh,
lines,
right.
you can't see. You saw?
Yeah, it's not there, isn't it? Yeah, so it's alright.
First, I was trying to get rid of it was like 1, 2, 3. Like a
if you can't
pointless.
get it, like it's all good, bro. Like it's not that big of a problem. If we can't
Someone's
get
gonna
it.
read it anyways.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Just needs like to build like a level of trust, but it doesn't need to be like, oh, everything is picture perfect. That's not a necessity. So I just gotta take this trade. Hopefully we hit TP on this real quick. You know what I mean? On some shit though. Know what I mean? On some shit though. Yeah, yes sir. Yes sirski. You think Sasuke is gay? Cause his name kind of sounds like he's Sasuke. I don't know. That was an ass joke. My bad. My bad.
Wow.
My bad, bro. Yeah, damn. That shit was so
Hey, did you
ass.
watch the Naruto? You watch it?
I don't like Naruto because I like these bad hoes.
Did you watch the whole thing?
Nah, I don't even watch Naruto, bro. I'm gonna keep it a buck. The only like anime that I really enjoyed watching was Augie and the Cockroaches, to be honest. What's your take on that?
That's not an anime, bro. That's a cartoon.
That is an anime, bro. That's like the god tier anime, you know what I mean? Like that shit is
It's a
like
cartoon, bro.
Nah, that's the god tier anime, bro. All the animes are cartoons, bro. So technically that is the god tier anime. You can't tell me otherwise, bro. That shit
Anime is
the
anime.
best.
Cartoons,
That shit is the
cartoons,
best, bro. That shit is the best. Oh my god, why you hating on that shit? Why you hating on Augie and the
I mean, I
Cockroaches?
like it too. I'm not saying I don't like it.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying, eh?
The default skin Loki looks like Augie and the Cockroaches, but he escaped out of a black bitch's ballsack. My bad.
Wait, what?
No, I said like Augie and the Cockroaches. Your PFP looks like it's like the black bitch. Like if it's like Augie, but if he escaped from like a black bitch's ballsack.
Wow. How does that make sense?
I don't fucking know, nigga. Just laugh, nigga. Goddamn, why niggas always questioning shit? Like, nigga, are you fucking Inspector Crusoe or whoever the fuck, nigga? Nigga, just laugh, nigga. Enjoy the fucking moment, nigga.
Who the fuck is that?
Inspector Crusoe, nigga. That's that guy from Pink Panther. That nigga who always wants to be up Pink Panther's asshole. Like niggas always inspecting that shit, got that big ass fucking magnifying glass with that little ass eye which fucking zooms in like 100 times. Anyways, let's get back to track. Anyways, okay, so I can take the trade now. Okay. Ring ring. Got this shawty called Ring Ring. She ring my phone cause she Asian like a hoe. What the fuck?
Who the fuck, man?
Fuck that
What
motherfucker
the
time
fuck,
out.
man?
What
What
the
the
fuck that?
fuck, man? What the fuck, man?
Fuck, man. What the fuck, man? What the fuck, man? Fuck me. Fuck me. Whole lot of gang shit. Huh. Asian. I'm Asian as fuck. Got this bitch from Vietnam. She's sucking on my toes for some fuck. Yeah. I'm talking Thailand. Bitches all banging on me like, it's my island. What the fuck, nigga? That shit was ass, nigga. God damn. Oh my god, nigga. Why niggas be hating? But it's a valid point because my ass shit's ass, nigga. That shit was not gas, nigga. That sounded so much better in my fucking ear. And I just executed a fucking order and the fucking price went down. Nigga, I swear to God, if I lose fucking money, I'm gonna kill your ass, nigga. Cause you told me
though?
Cause you told me to execute this fucking trade, bro.
What?
You told me to take this shit. You told me.
Okay.
You know what I mean? You told me to take this shit. And then, fucked
Check
up.
this though. Check this though.
Hold up, I just said the N word on stream. Oh hell nah.
Oh yeah, streaming.
Yes.